So I'm out here hiking just for a little while today. Earlier, I had read a post or two, and which was actually, for me, good to know. The posts, in short, were saying that these individuals were like in a slump, or didn't have any gumption, ambition to be out hiking or camping or whatever the case may be. Personally, to me, that's actually reassuring to hear, and I'll tell you why. For me, I don't know if it's personal life or just things in general, pressures, whatever, but it when people are going through the same thing you are, it gives me a perspective that there's always going to be a way. There's always somebody that's feeling the same way you are in some way, shape, or form. But I think as a whole, as a YouTube community, or with friends either in person or online, I feel that it's important that we're all pushing each other up. Those that want to push us down are just fishing, and it's because of their own insecurities. I do this stuff not full time, although it would be kind of fun, but at the same time, it also lends to be a lot of work. Point is whether we do something part-time, full-time, in between time, those that are one with nature, or have become one with nature, even in our busiest moments and days of our time, I guess we just need to stop, check ourselves, and look. Don't dwell, look. And look at what we could have around us. I'm not saying that we have to go camp. I'm not saying it's an all-day hike, even if it's just to get out for an hour or two. Me, I'm out today because, one, my fat ass needs the exercise. Two, I've got my own spot that I'd like to just chill. And when I get there, everyone will see. Well, I haven't made it to my local destination yet, but I'm like way out of my way. Ain't that some shit? And nobody gives a fuck. See? They don't even move. And the train's coming, and I want to watch it. Bunch of douchebag fucks. There's the train that I have to try and get around. I thought right down here would have been my way in. I gotta get around that to get to the tracks. Okay, I made it. But I actually was up in that clearing area, and the train stopped, so I had to duck back. Just because I don't want them to think that I'm trying to hop on this motherfucker. I'm just trying to get that way. I guess we'll see what happens. Sweet, the train is on the move, and so am I. This shit's thick as hell.
Lap 7. Total 4 miles. 1 hour 38 minutes 16 seconds. Elevation 961 feet.
There it goes. SAG 73. Cool. I've got the clear. Bye. So, I am at my spot. This is where I've camped multiple times. And no, I'm not wearing a shirt because there it is. That's actually the back of my shirt. I'm just gonna sit here for a while and relax. Listen to the cars above. Graffiti artists. And down here too. I haven't read that yet, so. There it goes. Yeah, they love messing with this over here. Alright, I'm gonna sit out up here a little while longer and probably head home. Peace. Thanks for watching.